New at 5 tonight, the Connecticut Supreme Court is overturning a $12 million verdict against the Boy Scouts of America.
It alleged sexual assault against a Boy Scout in the 1970s. News 8's Lee Felici live in our New Haven newsroom tonight with details of that decision. Lee?
Yes, in a split decision, justices agreed with the Boy Scouts of America's claim. The claim stated that the initial trial judge failed to instruct the jury that the defendant couldn't be held negligent if the other side did not prove there was negligence on the part of the Boy Scouts of America. The court also agreed that the wrong statute of limitations was used.
This all began 2 years ago when a jury awarded the plaintiff, known as John Doe, $12 million. Court documents allege that back in the 70s, an 11-year-old boy in Troop 137 in New Fairfield had been sexually abused by an assistant scout master. The plaintiff, John Doe, was said to have suffered fear, terror, confusion, anxiety, and depression as a result of the trauma he endured. The state Supreme Court ordered a new trial today, stating that the jury had not received proper trial instructions on negligence. The attorneys for that victim just released this statement. Our client was a child victim of sexual abuse that took place during Boy Scout activities. He suffers the consequences of that abuse every single day. On behalf of him, we are disappointed that the majority of the Connecticut Supreme Court overturned the verdict and ordered a new trial. At the same time, we respect the rule of law in Connecticut and honor the Connecticut Supreme Court's role as having the final say on the status of our state law.
We also put in a call to the attorneys who represent the Boy Scouts of America, but we have not heard back from them. We're live in the New Haven newsroom. Lee Felici, News 8.